In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a green screen in Photoshop. Whether you're a novice or an experienced user, this guide will help simplify the process, allowing you to seamlessly replace your green screen with a new, realistic background. The first step in this process is to add your image to Photoshop. Make sure that this is the image with the green screen that you want to work on. To do this, simply open Photoshop and drag your image file into the workspace. You should see it appear as the first layer in your Layers panel. This base layer will be the one we manipulate to remove the green screen from. Next, you need to add a real background to your project. You'll do this by introducing another image as the second layer. This new image can be anything you want, the backdrop you imagine for your photo, whether it's a sunny landscape, a bustling cityscape, or something a bit more abstract. Import your chosen image into Photoshop by dragging it into your open project, and make sure it's positioned beneath the green screen layer in your Layers panel. This ensures that once the green is removed, your new background will be visible. Once you have both layers in place, it's time to select the green color in your image. Navigate to the Select menu at the top of your Photoshop window and choose Color Range from the drop-down menu. This feature will allow you to select the specific green hue you want to remove. You'll see an eyedropper tool appear. Click on an area of green in your image to select it. To make sure you select all instances of green, hold down the Shift key while clicking other areas with green in your image. This will help ensure that you capture every part of the green screen, which is crucial for a clean edit. With your green areas selected, proceed to click OK in the Color Range dialog box. This will apply your selection, and you'll notice the green areas of your image are now active, indicated by a dashed line. Now, it's time to erase this green area. You can either press the Delete key on your keyboard or use the background eraser tool found in the toolbar on the left of your screen. Both actions will effectively remove the selected green portions, revealing the new background layer you prepared earlier. Finally, adjust your second layer by resizing or repositioning it to fit perfectly behind your subject. Use the transform controls in the Edit menu if necessary, or press Ctrl+T, Command+T on Mac to initiate a free transform, allowing you to scale, rotate, or move your new background as desired. And there you have it. You've now successfully removed a green screen in Photoshop and replaced it with your desired background. With a little practice, you'll be swapping out green screens like a pro in no time.